Hi everyone, this is my Module 5. I am Stephanie Locke. Module 5, Continuous Improvement. My district is Central Plains USD 112. The building that I work in is Wilson Junior Senior High School. And we're going to look at the dropout rate, graduation rate, and success rate data provided by the Kansas Schools Report Card. I'm going to start off with a quote from Robert Frost. I am not a teacher, but I am an awakener. As high school teachers, we all are doing our best to awaken the futures of our students and what they're going to do. And so, like Robert Frost said, it is our job to awaken them, not simply just to teach them. We look at our dropout rate according to the Kansas report card. For our building in 2017, we were at 2.5%, and then we jumped in 2018 to 4.4%. When we look at our district as a whole, it's 0.8% in 2018, and then 1.5% in 0.8% in 2017, excuse me, and 1.5% in 2018. When you compare that to the state, our district is pretty close to the state. However, our building is not, which is something that we're going to discuss here. Graduation rates. When you look at our building 2017, we were at 80.8%. And then in 2018, 61.3%. So look at the previous one, our numbers jumped from 2017 to 2018 for dropouts. So our graduation rate dropped. District-wise, same thing, 90% in 2017, and then we had the increase, and so in 2018 we had a 78% graduation rate. Compared to the state had 86.9% in 2017, and then 87.5%. Finally, our success rate post-secondary, you look at 2013 through 2017, we had a pretty high graduation rate. Our success rate gets lower, and then our effective rate is pretty much at 50% and below. So that's definitely something we're going to work on. So where do we want to be? Increase student rate post-secondary for our students. We need to increase exposure to college and standards. We need to continue our high expectations, and we need to offer real-world experiences. When you look at this chart here, success rate is defined by 4 different things. The first one being a student is considered successful if they get a certificate while they're in high school. Well, none of our programs do that yet, so that's not factored into our success rate. The second part is students getting a certificate within the first 2 years after graduation from high school, so like from a tech school. The third one, I believe, is students are considered successful when they are still enrolled in a post-secondary institution, so they're working towards that degree. For instance, if they're at a 4-year university, obviously 2 years out, they're not quite done. And then the fourth option for considering a student as a success is the student having a degree of some kind. So with 2 years, you're looking at about an associate's degree. So we're going to increase our real world experiences, and then with the dropout and graduation numbers, my goal would be to match the state's numbers for dropout and graduation rates. We need to identify our struggling students sooner, and offer a tutoring service, and then look into state provided services that we may not necessarily have implemented yet or enrolled in. Finally, I want to leave you with the Lorax and his quote of, unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing is going to get better. It's not. While the Lorax is talking about cleaning up our world, I do believe that this quote goes along with education. So unless someone like us cares a whole awful lot, we're not going to improve. We're just not. So thank you for watching.